So one thing to consider with the present tense is that the verbs change as well. We either add es or s to them. So go turns into goes, clean turns into cleans. So he, she and its subject in the sentence, uses verbs that end with es or s. But I, you, we and they are unchanged. He goes to the supermarket. So he, she, it. She goes with him to the supermarket. She goes to the shop. It cleans the house. It cleans the car. I go to the supermarket. He goes to the supermarket. Notice the difference. I go, he goes. She watches the film. I watch the film. It crosses the road. They cross the road. Subtle difference worth understanding. And we either use es or s depending on the verb itself. So for example, if it's a stressed consonant, like in cross, we add es. If it ends on a consonant, like clean, we just add s. If they end in a vowel, like go, we add es. And sometimes watchers. Some words that have stressed phonics at the end, like ch, watch, we have es at the end of that.